Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. I filed a case in JP, that is Justice of Peace Court in Harris County, Texas. The case number is 207-200-148-496. I want to find all information about this case. This case can be a eviction case, criminal case, for example, speeding, bad checks case, etc. So the solution is to visit this website. So I go to this website, I select it, and then I copy it, and then I go to web browser, and then I go to this website, and then I take this case number, I copy it, and then I go here, I go to this link here, find my case and court date, and then I go scroll down, and then in the case number field I put the case number, and then I click on search for cases. Now this gives me the case summary for this case as of June 13, 2021. So you can scroll down and you can see that it's an eviction case. The claim amount is $2,000, and the party name is Garg Ram P. He's the plaintiff, and the defendant is Turner Mildred. And it tells you all the information. Basically, finally, the default judgment was entered on June 18, 2020. Default judgment means that the defendant did not show up in the court, so the judge awarded the case to the plaintiff. So basically, the default judgment says the parties for Garg Ram, parties against Turner Mildred, post-judgment interest 5%, and so you have all the information. Okay, now let's go to the next case. Now it says I want to read all documents for that same case number. Okay, so basically what we do is that we go to the same website where we went. So this is the website we went. See, jp.hctx.net/services.html. And on the very top, you see this link, Odyssey web portal, view filings in your case. So let's click on that. And then you click on Smart Search. And then we take this case number, and we enter the case number here. And then it tells us that this case is for Ram P. Garg versus Mildred Turner, and the file date is 6/3/2020. Then we click on this case number, and it tells you all the information about the case. Basically, it's an eviction case, and the default judgment was awarded, and you can see all the documents. See view the document that the plaintiff filed is right here. So you click on this, it gives you see, this is the document that the plaintiff filed against the defendant. He's basically saying that this is his address, and then the reason is failure to pay rent. Rent is $500 per month, and so on, and basically this is the filing. Now you can also download the document. If you want to download it, you just click on download document, and it gets downloaded into my download folder as this name. Now I can go back here, click on back, and then finally I can see the default judgment. See the document for the default judgment. This is the default judgment in this case. It basically says plaintiff is present in the court, defendant not present, and then that's why the judge gave default judgment for plaintiff. And they said no writ of possession will issue before June 25, 2020. That means the writ of possession can only be filed after June 25. The reason is because the defendant gets 5 days to appeal the case. And so basically I can download the default judgment. So this is how you search for records in the Justice of Peace court system. Okay? And it gives you all the documents. In fact, there is a link here, see documents. If you click on it, it gives you all the documents. It gives you basically civil notice of trial setting, eviction, original petition file is here, military status affidavit means that the plaintiff has to say whether the defendant is in the military or not, and so on. And now this is the eviction citation that was issued. The police went to her house and pasted this citation, means notice that hey, you have been sued, you have to come to the court. And then finally there is an order of default judgment. So you can read all the documents and then it will show you the everything that went on with the case. Okay? So this is how we search. Now let's take another problem. My name is Ram Garg. I want to find all cases that I filed in JP court. So basically you go to this link, you copy here, and you can go to any web browser and then go to this link, and then see then you go to this link here, ODC web portal. You go there, and then there is a smart search button, so you can click on this, and then you can I can put the name GARG, Ram, and then I submit. So basically, now this one here is for Ram Garg, which address is Post Office Box 591026, and maybe this is not the Ram Garg that I'm interested in. Maybe I'm interested in this Ram Garg. See, Ram Garg, his current address is 9800 Pagewood Lane, number 2804, and he filed a eviction suit against Richard C. Londo and so on, and all other Tara properties. So basically here Tara property is showing Richard C. Londo, Ram Garg, Rita Patel, and all other documents. So we can look at this, and it will show us it will show us the parties are not Tara properties are showing, and defendant Londo, Richard, and other defendants. So this again gives you all the documents you can read. Read all the documents. See, all the documents are here. Finally, there is an order to dismiss. See, there is an order finally is saying that the court orders that this case is dismissed. Okay? Because there is a foreclosure, a sale, or whatever the reason. But this is how you search for records. Okay? Now, I can go back and you can search again and regard now maybe I'm interested in this Ram Garg, whose address is in Pearland. Now he is suing eviction. Ram Garg is suing Tawana Mason, and here Ram Garg is suing Sukofe Hakimi on this date. So let's suppose I want to explore this case. So here it tells you in which precinct 7 place 2 is where eviction took place, and the file date was 10/23/2018, and the plaintiff is Ram Garg, the defendant is Tawana Mason, and it gives you all the documents that for that case. is here. Now, finally, writ of default judgment was given here. Then the landlord filed for a writ of possession, and then we can see the last document is basically they received this writ. I think the constable is saying that I received the writ on such and such date, and after the posting of a final notice to vacate the within premises, I found that the defendants had vacated the premises and removed property from said address and delivered possession of the premises to plaintiffs, Ram Garg. So the constable gave the possession to Ram Garg because the tenant had already vacated the premises. So I can download this document here. Okay, so this is how you explore the information stored in the JP, Justice of Peace Courts in Harris County, Texas. In other counties in the USA, in other states or counties, the procedure is the same. It's just that this website may be different. Instead of www.jp.sctx.net, you may have another website for the Justice of Peace court in that county. But other than that, the procedure should be similar. Hello. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.